चलो see here page is 76 from where, from your NCERT book, correct? चलो before also we discussed the quadratic equation by factorization method. By factorization method. Factorization means splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Before also you've learned, right? Yes or no? But see one more time. First thing, we have the quadratic equation. We have the quadratic. Quadratic means ax square plus, speak, and bx plus c is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation, right? Splitting the middle term means this term you should split. First, whatever is there, we should arrange into x square, x and constant term. Then we should split the middle term. Means we should split this b. Split this b. How? Like I split it as a d and e. Split it d and e. How? How should we split? Such that d plus e. D plus e. D minus e. Minus d minus e. Then minus d plus e. Correct? Either we add or subtract. All four situations I told. Either we add or subtract. We should get equal to b only. With sign. With proper sign. Plus minus means plus minus. Correct? Achha. Other thing what is there? If we multiply these two terms. If we multiply means d e. D minus e. Minus d minus e. Minus d plus e. We are what we are doing? Multiplying. If we multiply, I am putting in brackets so it should look no confusion. If we multiply this all things, we should get equal to a into c. We should get ac with sign. With sign. Correct na? And means we will multiply when we will check we are getting same or not. And for doing this, we will start from here only. We will start from here. Whatever terms are there, we will multiply first. Like see example I am saying, example number 3. 2x square minus
5x
plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is your a, this is your c. This is your a, this is your c. First multiply these two. So 3 2 ja is equal to 6. Correct? It can be big number also, it can be small number also, doesn't matter, you should multiply. So we get 6 to the prime factorization of 6. Prime factorization of 6. So 2 3 ja. Right? Means 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Now using this two number, see either you can get here only 2 number or you will get many number here. If you are getting many number, you should make the group of 2. Like you get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? So you should make group of 2. Correct? Which can give you b. Which can give you b. Means this 2 into 3 I can write minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 plus 3, 2 minus 3 and 2 plus 3. All four situations I have written. All four situations, yes or no? See, if I do here, I will get minus 5. Here, how much? Plus 1. Here, minus 1. Here, plus 5. Yes or no? So, according to us, according to our requirement, which one we required? Minus 5. We required minus 5. So, we will take this one. This all we can't take. Correct na? Getting how to classify this? Correct. So this 5 we will write in the form of minus 2 and minus 3. Right here. 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. True? Now take, see, select two term. take common, 2x take common, what remain here? X minus 1, x minus 1. Here take minus 3 common, what remain? X. Outside is minus, inside sign will change. If outside is minus, inside sign will change. So here plus, so minus 1. Yes or no? See why we changed. See, this is minus 3x. So minus 3 into x, minus 3x, and minus 3 into plus minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1. This become plus 1, plus 3. Same, right? Correct. Getting why we change the sign.
Yes, sir.
True or not?
Yes, sir.
Now see, x minus 1 and x minus 1 is same. So x minus 1 take out, what remain? 2x, here remain minus 3 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Correct. Then after that, x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 1 and here 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. So these two are your value of x or 0 or roots. Getting how to do?
Yes, sir.
Copied?
Yes, sir.
Full copied?
Last one. एक्सरसाइज आपको जाननी होनी चाहिए।
अरे सही है। कल 2 एक्सरसाइज कहाँ किया है कि ओनली 4.1 राइट?
हाँ सर।
Yesterday we did only for 4.1. So next example number 4. 6x square
माइनस एक्स
minus 2.
2 इक्वल्स टू 0।
AC how much? 12. Do the prime factorization. 2, 6, 2, 3 means 2 into 3. How much required? 1. How much required? 1. Can you do 4 and 3? 4 and 3. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. Minus, minus, plus, 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 minus, minus, plus. Correct? Think which is correct. Actually, these all things you should not do. You should think in the mind. Correct. Which can be? We required minus 1. We required
-1.
minus 7, plus 7, plus 1, minus 1.
-1.
Yes. So this we will take. This all we can't take. Correct. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. See, both are multiple of 2. So take 2x out. So 3x minus 2. 3x minus plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 is out and 2x plus 1. Here is 1, right? Is equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 3. This one this side minus 2, this side plus 2. Now here multiplication, this side division, this side multiplication, this side
डिवीजन।
so 2 by 3. Correct? So right here direct minus 1 by 2. This side minus 1. Now 2 downside. Correct? Now see question number 5. Question number
5
2 root 6x plus 2. Process is same. Don't get scared just because here root 6 is there. Getting? Process is same. Multiply. 3 2 ja 6. 6 is there. Achha, now one more thing remember. 6 if you do 2 and 3 it will come. 2 and 3. 2 into 3. But one thing. Here root 6 is there. Root 6. And root 6 we can't break it. We
can't break it।
can't break. Means whatever terms are in the root, that one don't try to do anything. Let it be like that. Let it be like that. So and few property of roots, you know, root a into root a is equal to a. Are yes or no? Acha. So can I write this root 6 as root 6 plus root 6 is equal to 6 only?
6 only.
Sorry, into root 6 into root 6 is equal to root 6 only. Yes or no? Acha. We required here 2 root 6. 2 root 6. So if we do root 6 plus root 6, how much you'll get?
6.
I'm writing here plus.
Yes.
Root 6 plus root 6 is how much?
12.
2 root 6. 2 root 6. If you're getting confused, root a plus root a is equal to 2 root a.
Sir.
Correct? Acha. What we required here? 2 root 6. We required here 2 root 6. We have get 2 root 6.
Sir.
Yes or no? Acha. And if we multiply this two term, if we multiply this two term means root 6 into root 6, how much you should get? 6. So we have the 6 also. 3 to the 6 means this like splitting the middle term is correct. Yes or no? So right here 3x square plus root 6x plus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Getting now? In the question of root, whatever is there, root term, don't try to disturb them. Try to get the factorization in that term only. Correct? Now take the common. See, can I take 3 out here? Can I take 3 out here?
Sir.
Think.
Uh,
3, 2, 6.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I take?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, what may be wrong only, we will take. Just check it is correct or wrong. Because here 2 is not there, so 2 to we can't take out. Correct? See, while doing question, don't think about it will be wrong or what. Try to do. If wrong, then try again. Wrong means like not like, oh my god, what happened. Try again. Correct? Let's check. So I have taken 3 out. I have taken 3 out. And x is both places. So I can take x also out. True? If I taken 3x out, here remains just x. Here remains just x. Acha. What remain here then? What remain here? Wait. Root 6 can I write? Root 3 into 2? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. True na? Acha. I have taken here root just 3x out. Just 3x out. So 3 to I am not getting only. 3 I am not getting. So I can't take this 3 out. We can't take this 3 out. But one more thing. At least root 6 is equal to get root 3 into root 2. Correct? Acha. 3 can I write? Root 3 into root 3? 3 can I write? Root 3 into root 3. See?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha. Now if we take root 3 out, if we take
Root 3 out.
root 3 out from here, so from here also I can take root 3 out? Yes or no? Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
So I am taking here root 3 out.
3.
Means from 3 I have taken one term out. What remain there? Root 3 is still remaining. From this 3, 1 root 3 I have taken out. So what remain? Still root 3 is remaining, right? So right here root 3x remaining. Acha. Now from this root 6, from those root 6, root 3 is out. Root 3 is
Out.
root 3 is out. What remain?
2.
Root 2. So here remain root 2. X is out, no problem, right?
Plus 2 is
Till here no problem. Acha. Now plus. Think in this term. Root 6, root 2. Root 6, root 2. Shall I take root 2 out from here? Shall I take root 2 out from here?
Yes, sir.
Because this is root 2 into root 2. Visible?
Sir.
This is root 2 into root 2. Correct? This is root 2 into root 2. And in this also we have root 2. Yes or no? So if I take this root 2 out, what remain here?
Root 3.
Root 3. So I am taking root 2 out. What remain here? Root 3x. Achha. Then from this term also we take a root 2 out. From this term also we are taking root 2 out. So what remain here?
0.
2 means what? Root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 we have taken out. What remains still? Root 2. So here root 2. See, is it came same?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So take it out. Root 3 plus and root 3x. What remain here?
2.
Root 2 is equal to 0. Correct? Now root 3x plus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 3x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Means x is equal to minus root 2 by root 3. Here also x is equal to minus root 2 by
So root 3.
root 3.
Sir.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Paka?
Yes, sir.
Copy it. Which one next?
Other sir, the x square.
Exercise this 4.2, right?
4.2.
Exercise 4.2 from NCERT, right?
Yes, sir.
So question number 1 is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0.
0.
Correct na? 10 is there. How will break? 5 and 2. 10 how will break? 5 and 2. Sir, right? X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. See? 5 2 ja 10. 5 2 ja 10. Plus into minus 10 also. And minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 also. Everything is correct. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We have checked the sign, we have checked the B, we have to check the AC also with the sign. True? Now check here. X out, x minus 5 plus 2 out, x minus. So x minus 5, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Means x is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 2. Correct? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Then question number 2. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0.
0.
6 2 ja 12. 6 2 ja.
12.
That too we required minus 12. We required
Minus 12.
minus 12.
Yes, sir.
How will break? So we do 3 4. 3 4 ja 12.
4 the 12.
3 4 ja.
12.
We required here plus x. We required here.
Plus
Yes.
X.
So plus 3 plus 4 minus 3. Plus 4
Minus 3.
is plus 1.
Yes, sir.
And plus 3 into minus plus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12 also. Yes or no?
Sir.
See, I can write this all thing here, but in exam you can't do this all things. You have to think into mind. Yes or no?
Sir.
Achha, now we get to know what will happen here.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I do in one line only.
Yes, sir.
But in exam, don't do in one line. In exam, you have to do by these steps only.
Okay.
See, if your degree is 2, if your degree is
2.
open 2 bracket. Open.
2 bracket.
If your degree is 3, open 3 bracket. Correct? But this level you can understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Mark
Leave.
2 bracket.
2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. This only I told, right?
Yes, sir.
So now take 2x out, x plus 2. Take here 3 out, outside minus, inside sign will
Plus
Plus
is equal to
0.
0. So x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3 by 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I do next?
Yes, sir.
No?
How a space become less for us, man? Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. This is question number 3. Question number 3. Acha. Here by seeing root you will get a scare. Nah, this is maths. If you are scared, math will scare you more. Correct. So our rule is multiply AC. Multiply A into C. So multiply root 2 into 5 root 2. Correct. What become? 5 into 2 is equal to 10 because root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 5 2 is 10. Acha. Not 0. Printing mistake. Correct. Now this 10 we should bring to 3. 10 we should bring to 3 or 7?
7.
7, right? Acha. What you can do? 5 2 is also can write plus 5 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Plus 5 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
So 5 plus 2 7, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And so write plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Split it. Middle term is split it na?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Next. Now in this 2, what you can take common? Only x. Only
X.
take x out. Root 2x plus 5. True? Acha. In these two thing, what you can take out? See, this is visible. Root 2 into root 2. This is root 2 into root 2. Visible na? Shall I take 1 root 2 out? Because here root 2 is there na?
Yes, sir.
This is root 2 into root 2. So I am taking 1 root 2 out. I have taken 1 root 2 out. So 1 root 2 out. What remain here? Still 1 root 2 is remaining. So root 2 and x also is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Written x. From here also root 2 went out. Root 2 went out. So what remain here?
5.
5. So right here 5 is equal to 0. True? See, become same. Take it out. Root 2x plus 5 plus into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So what remain here? X is equal to minus 5 by root 2 and here x is equal to minus root 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
चलो यहाँ तक हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
ये बचा है. क्या क्वेश्चन है? पढ़ो.
2x
2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0.
Correct है. See here, 1 by 8 is a problem, right? Remain thing is same only.
Yes, sir.
Just this one is the problem. Correct है. This is math, right? Problem is there means solution is also there. This is the best thing of this, of mathematics. If question is there means answer is pakka there, right? Take LCM.
8.
Take LCM. So this become 16x square. This become 8x. This become 1.
8x.
This become
8x.
1 is equal to 0. Now take this one this side. This one this side. So here 8 in division. 8 in here 8 in multiplication. 8 in means 0 into 8 is 0. 0 into 8 is
0.
so sir right here 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0.
8x.
Yes or no? Fraction over or not? Getting how to remove the fraction?
Yes, sir.
8x.
If like here also x by 2 is there.
8x.
Think here also if x by
2.
so take LCM of these two. Correct. Then simplify whatever come down that one take this side. True? Acha. Now 16 into 1 is 16. 16 into 1 is
16.
do prime factorization 2 8 2 4 2 2. Correct? We required here 8. We required here
8.
sir I do minus 4 and minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What I told, minus 4 and minus 4, minus 8. And if you multiply minus 4 into minus 4, 4 for the 16, minus into minus,
Plus.
plus 16. See, we have plus 16 or not?
Awesome.
So this is true, right? Right here, 16x square, right? Minus 4x plus 1 is equal to,
Minus 4x.
correct?
Yes, sir.
So take 4x out, 4x minus 1 minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0.
0.
So x is equal to how much directly? X is equal to how much?
1.
Plus 1 by 4. Plus 1 by
4.
1 by 4. Here x is equal to
1 by 4.
same term. Done. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Fifth one.
fifth one.
100x squared minus 20x.
Do here only, right?
Yes, sir.
Write question again. So we have 100 here.
Yes, sir.
We have
100 here.
100. 2, 50, 2, 25, 5 and 5. 5 and
5.
5. Now think how we'll get 20 here. 25 4 is 100.
25 over
25 4 100.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? But we required here one time you get 25, one time you get 4. Yes or no?
Sir.
But is that we are getting 20? Nah. We are not getting 20. So we can't make 25 and 4. We should get what? 20 here, na?
Sir.
Acha. Can we do 10 and 10?
10 and 10.
10 and
10.
means minus 10 and minus 10, see? Minus 20 and plus 100 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So right here 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 10x out. So 10x minus 1 minus 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 10. X is equal to 1 by
10.
10. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. See, we have did this 3-4 question full slowly, right? So every question we can't do on that much slow only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means childhood whatever knowledge you have, now also same knowledge.
No, sir.
This will improve. Correct? Copy it.
Yes, sir.